guys, pupunta kami ngayon ng Zambales. Hindi namin in-expect na sobrang layo para napupuntahan namin. And si Uncle, hi! Yan, si Uncle na sa likod. So, ginagawa ko na yung makeup ko ngayon. Kasi meron akong show later. Perform ako mamaya. Hi, Lavisha! And I'm still not feeling well. Pero laban. And right now, nasa, saan na ba kami? Saan na tayo, Kuya Jun? Sa
Angeles.
Angeles, Pampanga. So, long way to go. Nag-live lang ako ng super siglet, like, super siglet. Super siglet. Yes, thank you. Then, magbibero ka na lang. Bero ka. Bero ka is the key. And, I'm just gonna do light makeup. Hindi ko alam if kita siya sa stage, but what do you think? Yes, Janela Salvador, what's your problem? Diba panoorin nyo na pala yung movie nitong babaeng ire? Anong problema mo, Janela? Ano pa bang kulang? Na ano ako guys, wait lang. Sobrang what else? Si Ate Marisa. Ano pa bang kulang? Magka-contact lens ba ako sa tingin nyo? What do you think? Kasi sa stage. So, anyone. Let me know if do I need to wear contact lens na or ganito na lang. My internet. Hi, Becky. What do you mean my internet? Oh, shucks. my boobie. It's showing. My boobie. So, okay. So, I did my foundation. Hindi pa ako nagko-concealer. I forgot to put concealer. Oh, no. Ay, nako. So, I forgot to put concealer. And I don't know where's my... Okay, here. Why? What's funny? Bakit, Becky? Oh, ba't ko siya tinatagalan? Boy, Becky! What's wrong with my internet? Miss you, Becky. Miss you too. I'll see you soon. You message me. Because last time, every time nagpuplano si Becky, biglaan. Like, last time when we were in Universal in Singapore, she told me that she's coming over here in the Philippines, and then me and Elle, we had no idea. We had no idea. So, they're inviting us to meet here. But, we have some schedules na, so...
Pabati daw si Mars.
I told her to message me in advance so that we can plan some things too. Anyways, please, ano pa bang kulang? What else? Lipstick. Lipstick. Okay, so mag-foundation, mag-ano pa ba ako? Parang nawala yung nilagay kong blush on. What the heck? Naglagay ako ng blush on, nawala. Okay ba yan? Kasi hinahabol ko yung golden. Oh my gosh! Wait lang ha. Kasi feeling ko nakikita yung boobie ko. Ayan. Okay ba siya? Kasi konting lagay lang sa mukha ko. Nagbabago kasi itsura ko eh. Marami akong mukha, guys. So kaya dapat careful. Everything na may mga nagme-makeup sa akin. They need to be careful with my face because my face is so sensitive na nagbabago siya. Wait. Okay, so na-dance ako. Wait, lipstick daw. Mag-tint lang ako. Tint lang muna. Kaso, okay. Tint. Haha.
Ito sa inyo. Ito sa kanila. Ayun sa inyo ni Jake.
Okay. Arcel. Okay ba? And also pala, magsa-start na ako mag-training. Nagda-diet ako. So, kailangan kong mag-training na nagre-ready ako for my future projects. It's more future projects, yeah. This coming week, I need to train again. Okay na ba yung lipstick? Anyways, we have to go. Okay na yan. Okay na yan? Mamaya na lang ulit. Ang galing nitong makeup ko, guys. Pwede siyang bumukhang ganyan. Ha? Anong mimasor? Mimasor. Okay, we have to go. Kasi ako din magda-drive muna for the meantime. Kap. I have to go, guys.
Okay, Dom. Balik tayo.
Bye-bye.